out of work. Gonna go grab my little baby girl and off to maybe, I don't know, the beach? But first, I have to go ask the princess. Do you want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Guess what, everybody?
Wait.
She said yes!
Because I scared them.
Yeah, birds are easily scared, but they don't want to be caught. Olivia and Papa. It's a father-daughter sort of day, I guess. Count down. 3, 2, 1. Yes, let me see.
Another one.
How embarrassing. Look at me. But look at you. Awesome.
That one's for you.
Thank you.
And that one's for me.
Yay! Olivia's done. Now it's time to go party and drinking. Woo! I'm kidding. I don't do any of that. But